These are Homestead honey sticks, and they're made of uncut, unfiltered, 100% pure honey, and they just taste so good. There's no additives, fillers, or preservatives. It's also easy to use, and kids and adults love to open these up. It's a great snack to eat all on its own, to put over your toast, or to put in your beverage too. It's also a very healthy snack. This is also American honey. It is made of happy bees, sourced from the Rocky Mountains. Now let's take a bite. You can use scissors, or you can bend and then bite it off with your mouth. I use scissors though. This is such a nice tasty treat, especially when you're craving something sweet. Thank you, Homestead Honey, for sending this to me to evaluate and to give my opinion. I truly love it. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.